Me contem o que vocês acham que é isso.
Alright, let me tell you everything I know about the video. Number one, you hear a motorcycle in the background, so that's an important clue. I go to the guy's channel, the original uploader, and of course he has a motorcycle. Now that's very important because a lot of times, people will fake UFO videos, they'll put, fake ambient noise in the background, but everything checked out with this guy. He doesn't post, clickbait UFO videos. It's basically his own personal YouTube channel, random videos, and then we get this, really incredible UFO sighting. Now, what is going on here? I mean, it looks like it's giving birth, okay? Like the mothership is dropping baby UFOs, okay? And I've talked about this before. These drone UFOs that I believe observe our Earth. No different than us sending, a satellite in space or a rover to Mars, things like that. And to be fair, it also looks like a 1980s video game. I get it. It looks like Space Invaders. I mean, I get it. Trust me. That's why I verified the video, and I wanted to make sure that it was authentic, and it is 100% authentic. It checks every box. Always, double, triple verify my videos. Right there, you see the house come into frame, the power lines. And again, the craft does go behind the power lines. So, at first I thought, okay, could be a reflection. I know all the, CGI tricks and everything, but I can't find anything wrong with the video. And any little imperfection you might find in the video you're watching now is probably due to my editing, not the, because of the original uploader. By the way, I will leave a link below so you guys can go and check the original video out. Now, also, another cool thing, after, other UFO channels uploaded the footage here, the guy posted like another 10-second clip of the craft kind of going by some buildings, so he has two videos. So again, it adds authenticity to me. I think it's real, but the question is, what is it? So you guys leave a comment below. What do you think? Thank you for watching, and again, go check out the original video, because I want you guys to understand this is not clickbait. It's not CGI. It's not a hoax. I would never post any of that garbage on my channel. So you guys have a great night.